Cop dies in hospital weeks after dramatic hit and run in St. James. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The policeman who was hospitalized and in critical condition after he was mowed down by a motorist in Granville, St. James on Friday, October the 4th, has succumbed to his injuries. Constable Leroy Codner died at the Falmouth Hospital in Trelawney on Sunday morning. He reportedly sustained multiple injuries to his brain and was admitted in hospital since the incident. A day after the incident, the suspected driver of a white 2016 Toyota Probox motor car who was involved in the hit and run, Dylan Reed alias Bulby RCJ of Blockshop, Hamity Hall, St. James, surrendered to the police in the presence of his attorney. It is not yet clear if he has since been charged relative to the matter. It is reported that on Friday, October the 4th, the police were conducting a roadblock exercise along the Granville Mill Road in the vicinity of St. John when Codner signaled the driver of a white Toyota Probox to stop. The driver reportedly slowed down upon reaching close to the police officer but sped up, hitting the cop and sending him over a precipice around some 50 to 70 feet deep. Codner was rescued from the precipice and taken to the Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay, St. James, but was later transferred to the Falmouth Hospital in the neighboring community of Trelawney, where he later succumbed to his injuries just yesterday. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast.